So guys, let's get started. We need somehow to get inside. So make sure that this one is loosened. Going all the way down. We need to break it apart like that. And then we need to hook with this one. Yeah, here we go. I got this instrument. It's probably help us. Yeah, it's pretty tight. There's no need to rip it apart, but I want to be sure. Then we need just pull it like that. After that we will be able, probably, yeah, it's not that hard. I just lock it in the bottom position. Yeah, just take it out. It's crazy. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, you need to rip it a little bit more. Now I can take it out on this side too. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Funny. It's a hood. Just leave it like here, and we will need 4 Phillips screws. But first, we just need to unplug the battery. So there is 4 Phillips screws. So it's done. Now we have to pull it a little bit and just go like that. It's very easy. Be careful with it. Connector. Here we go. It's definitely go somewhere from here. Just take it. So this how it looks. To rip this part apart, you will need T10. So there is a system around, you just need to be careful. And this is how cluster look. Bolts on its place. So here we are. This system is making sound. I don't know what to do, I just cover it with a duct tape. That's it. Now we can cover it and assemble it back. This way it looks a little bit better. Shiny. We need to place it back. Just plug it in. Place it all the way in its position. Because I don't want to lose this screw. Before screw it all the way and assemble this one, I just want to make sure that it works. Connecting back battery. Cross fingers.
Recording started.
It works. What about signals? It's still pretty loud. I don't like it. I wasn't happy with previous duct tape design, so I decided to cover it with this silicone. I just wanna fill these gaps and add some inside this hole. And just let it dry. Sun is shining, let it cook. I leave it for 5 hours and let it cure. I hope it's now okay. I just wanted to cover it with more duct tape. So, double check if it's clean. It's pretty good. Connect. Turn it on. Cross finger. Let's check it. It's still pretty loud, but let's cover it. Then we'll check. We need to somehow place this one back. Okay. This one goes down. This one goes directly. This one's still not in place. Don't see it. Okay, I got it. Now I see. So with this light, it looks a little bit more clear. Okay, now I see. Here we go. Good. Nice. Stretch all these. Do this and do. And do this. Oh yeah, it's definitely quieter. Way better. Shit, I love it. Now it sounds as it's supposed to sound. I barely can notice it. Previously it was really distracting. It definitely goes. Thanks for watching.